Good evening. This is All India Radio Kohima. I'm Jonas Yantan with Evening News. The headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launches Pradhan Mantri Ayushman Bharat Health Infrastructure Mission in Varanasi. Legendary actor Rajnikanth conferred the prestigious Dadasaheb Phalke Award at the 67th National Film Awards ceremony. Advisor Abu Metha discusses on collaborations, partnerships and knowledge sharing between the states of Mizoram and Nagaland. And Nagaland Chief Secretary asks heads of departments to maintain office building and premises. As India achieved the milestone of vaccinating 100 crore people against COVID-19, All India Radio salutes all the people, doctors, nurses and others who made this possible. Even though the country has achieved this feat, we caution our listeners that the battle against COVID is not yet over. We appeal to our listeners who are yet to fully get vaccinated to get vaccinated at the earliest and also help others to get vaccinated. During the festival season, please follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 6 feet for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact national helpline numbers 011-2397-8046 and 1075 and state helpline number 1800-345-0019. And now the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi simultaneously inaugurated 9 medical colleges in Uttar Pradesh today. Addressing a gathering in Siddharth Nagar, the Prime Minister said that this special day has brought a double dose of Arogya to the people of Uttar Pradesh and the country. The Prime Minister said that the 9 medical colleges inaugurated today will enhance the health infrastructure in Purvanchal. Modi said that these medical colleges will add 2,500 new beds to the hospitals and over 5,000 doctors and paramedical staff will get employment opportunity. 9 districts which got medical colleges in Uttar Pradesh today are Siddharth Nagar, Jaunpur, Fatehpur, Etam, Hardoi, Kazipur, Mirzapur, Deoria and Pradapkar. Veteran actor superstar Rajnikanth was honoured with a prestigious Dadasaheb Phalke Award for his outstanding contribution to the world of Indian cinema. The 67th National Film Awards were presented by Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu in New Delhi. Speaking on the occasion, Vice President Naidu said, "Cinema serves as a powerful medium for promotion of sports and this medium should be used for betterment of society." The Vice President said, film should be a vehicle with a higher purpose, carrying ethical and moral message. Addressing the event, Information and Broadcasting Minister Anurag Thakur said, cinema not only entertains but also plays the key role of delivering important messages to the society. Thakur said, choosing the right content to portray to the society is a huge responsibility. Advisor to Chief Minister of Nagaland and Associate Vice President of Athletics Federation of India, AFI, Abu Metha, held a round-table meet with the Mizoram Youth Commission at Aizawl. Metha discussed on collaborations, partnerships and knowledge sharing between the 2 states as both share many common bonds. Taking to Twitter today, Metha said that all efforts will be made to propel the youths to the highest level. Meanwhile, AFI Associate Vice President also stated that he had a positive discussion with the Mizoram Athletics Association and representatives of the Mizoram Olympic Association. Metha said the AFI is committed to promote athletics in the Northeast and work together to strive towards our aspirations. Chief Secretary J. Alam today asked heads of departments to maintain office buildings and premises. In a circular, Alam said that some of the directorate buildings and premises in the capital complex area are not being properly maintained and several such buildings present a shabby look because of overgrowth of foliage, dumping of rubbles along the office fencing. He added it is important that government offices and properties are seen as well maintained and cleaned at all times as it creates healthy workspace and encourages other citizens to adopt similar good practices. The Chief Secretary has requested all HODs to actively engage in the upkeep and cleanliness of their office surroundings and complexes. All HODs have been requested to undertake intensive cleanliness drive by way of social work in and around their respective directorates and other offices in the next 10 days. This news comes to you from All India Radio, Kohima. You can also listen to this news bulletin on our YouTube channel, AIR News Kohima. India has administered over 102 crore 31 lakh doses of COVID vaccine so far under the nationwide vaccination drive. Union Health Ministry said more than 12 lakh 31,000 vaccine doses were administered in the last 24 hours. The ministry said 18,762 COVID patients recovered during the last 24 hours and the national recovery rate stands at 98.18%. Till now, more than 3 crore 35 lakh people have recovered from COVID-19. The ministry said the testing capacity across the country continues to be expanded and more than 60 crore 7 lakh COVID-19 tests have been conducted so far. Nagaland reported 14 new positive cases today, taking the total caseload to 31,726. With 8 recoveries, a total of 29,768 persons have recovered from the infection till date. 2 more deaths were reported, taking the death toll to 666. Nagaland has 247 active cases. Union Minister for Education and Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Pradhan, today launched the Phase 2 of Mahatma Gandhi National Fellowship, 2-year-long fellowship conceived to create opportunity for young, dynamic individuals to contribute to enhancing skill development at the grassroots. The 2-year fellowship seeks to combine classroom sessions by academic partner IIMs with an intensive field immersion at the district level to create credible plans and identify barriers in raising employment, economic output, and promote livelihood in rural areas. Pradhan, while speaking on the occasion, called upon fellows to act as catalysts of social change at the grassroots by driving skill development efforts. The Union Minister also called upon district collectors and academic partner IIMs to facilitate the fellows and script a success story of change through this fellowship. Minister for Planning and Coordination, Land, Revenue and Parliamentary Affairs, Nipa Grono, on Friday said much is needed to be done by the state government to bring improvement in sports sectors in our state. Grono inaugurated the first inter-departmental badminton tournament organised by the Inter-Department Badminton Club, Kohima, and encouraged youngsters to take up sports not only as a hobby but to become professionals and bring laurels for the state. American Indian Foundation AIF, in partnership with Prodigals Home, launched Mission Corona Vijay in Kifre district today to encourage and sensitize people about the importance of taking vaccine. Kifre Deputy Commissioner T. Wati Iyer, while addressing a gathering, expressed hope that Prodigal Home Mission will have an impact in pushing the district to achieve its targeted vaccination. The DC said that despite numerous efforts to educate people about the need to be vaccinated, Kifre district was still low when it comes to vaccination rate. Iyer appealed to the tribal halls, public leaders and church bodies to spread awareness about the need to take a vaccine. Taking part in the program, Matthew Joseph, Country Director AIF, stated that Kifre and Mon are the first districts from Northeast State to launch Mission Corona Vijay. And now to end the news, here are the main points again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launches Pradhan Mantri Ayushman Bharat Health Infrastructure Mission in Varanasi. Legendary actor Rajnikanth conferred the prestigious Dadasaheb Phalke Award at the 67th National Film Awards ceremony. Advisor Abu Metha discusses on collaborations, partnerships and knowledge sharing between the states of Mizoram and Nagaland. And Nagaland Chief Secretary asks heads of departments to maintain office building and premises. That is all we have in this evening news bulletin. Good night.